to this quick tutorial on how to supercharge your Google Slides designs. We're diving into some fantastic hacks that will help you create stunning presentations in a flash, even if you're a complete beginner. Starting from scratch, we'll show you how to leverage existing templates for instant professional results. Let's clear the screen. We're going to list the core steps you need to follow. First crucial tip is 1. Find and duplicate template easily. It's full of amazing free Google Slides templates. The key here is to find one that broadly fits your aesthetic and then, importantly, make a duplicate copy. It ensures you always have a pristine original to fall back on, and you can experiment freely with your new design without any worries. A good base template is a massive time saver for any project. Moving on to our second step, which focuses on consistency too. It's master slide layouts. Once you have your duplicated template, the real magic begins in the master slide view. It's where you control the look and feel for all slides based on a particular layout. By editing the master layouts, you can ensure uniform fonts, colors, and branding elements across your entire presentation. It's much more efficient than adjusting individual slides one by one. To personalize your template and make it truly yours, we have 3. Theme colors and fonts. Still within the master view, or sometimes through the theme options, you can easily change the overall color palette and font scheme. It allows you to quickly align the template with your personal brand or project requirements. Cohesive color and font strategy makes your presentation look polished and professional, greatly enhancing readability and visual appeal. Finally, with your foundation set, it's time for efficient content creation. 4. Supply layouts add content fast. After customizing your master slides colors and fonts, you can now apply these updated layouts to your actual slides. Simply drop in your content. Because you've already done the heavy lifting in the master view, adding text, images, and charts becomes incredibly quick and streamlined. This method allows you to focus on your message rather than wrestling with design elements repeatedly. There you have it, 4 powerful steps to hack Google Slides templates for instant design. Finding and duplicating a suitable template, editing the master slide layouts, adjusting your theme colors and fonts, and then rapidly applying those layouts to add your content, you can transform your presentation workflow. This approach not only saves you significant time, but also ensures a professional and consistent look throughout your Google Slides. Tips to try and elevate your presentations effortlessly.